So the Fed will cut rates tomorrow, September 18th, making it cheaper to borrow money for the first time in 4 years. This is what I expect to happen. Instantly, the market will pump, almost like an emotional knee-jerk reaction. Then short-term traders and like event traders and even maybe newbie retail investors that are looking for an episodic take profits moment, they'll take profits and the market will dump. Then it will be perceived as a sell the news event, and we'll go into this period of potential boredom where everyone's wondering if this is the beginning of the end or the end of the beginning, or there'll just be this wall of worry if you're familiar with market psychology. And so what happens is that people will lose hope. They'll think that the musical chairs song has stopped and they'll leave. Kind of like what has been happening for the last 6 months. A lot of people who have been calling for recession and doomsday and blah, blah, blah. The market's purging itself. It's cleansing itself of non-serious, low conviction investors. And it's my conviction that that is when we'll see what we call a blow off top, and we get things like 100K Bitcoin, 92K Bitcoin, new all-time highs, new cruising altitude for the chief risk-on asset, the granddaddy digital asset that will then usher in a higher tide that raises all ships, and all of crypto, not all of crypto, but the good stuff, the cream will rise to the top. And that's where massive transfers of wealth will happen for everyday normal people who are in the loop and they know what's going on and they haven't lost their emotional bearings. If that's somebody like you, or you're just trying to make sure that you're holding on for dear life, repost this, send it to a friend, help them understand what's going on in the market. Maybe they're not paying attention. I talk to people all the time who round trip their crypto portfolios. They start with 8,000 or 10,000. They go up to 6 figures, maybe even 7 figures sometime, but then not to know where they are in the market. They're in an echo chamber, investing alone, trying to figure out Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok all by themselves. And then they round trip it all the way back down to 10,000 or so. It's a painful experience. Don't invest alone. Find a great community that you can be a part of. And if you are lacking in the crypto skills category, I've got a 13-minute overview video that can walk you through the required skills of creating that life-changing wealth, and also just making sure you don't over-emotionalize this thing called crypto investing. Go to cryptoyall.co. Check it out. It's free. I don't care if you do. I don't care if you don't. But like and follow if you love this kind of authentic, down-to-earth understanding of crypto investing and the market. Thanks for sharing.